Are there any red flags that tell you that this startup or this company is like not a good investment?
Many. Like for me, my biggest red flag is someone comes and says, we are the next Uber in this industry. I'm the next Netflix of this. Get it? You're trying to position yourself. But I want the founder, whoever comes up, they need to give you a right vision of the TAM. Right? TAM, kuch bhi bada size bolne se TAM nahi banta. You have to see how, have you thought about the market? Rather than you've just picked up one McKinsey or a Bain report and you're just coming to blur it out. So how they define TAM becomes important. Second, how passionate they are about the company. Whenever a founder comes in at the seed stage and talking to me about exit, I'm not sure whether I want to invest with them, right? Because I want the founder to be invested in the long run. It's a 5-10 year game. No one knows where the exit will be. If anyone says my exit strategy is someone else acquires me, not a bad idea, but that's a red flag for me because I don't want that to be a success metrics. Sustainable business should be more of a success metrics, right? So anyone plays valuation in your pitches, that's a red flag. Anyone wants to just position themselves differently, that's a red flag. And no, anyone who does not have a successful team with them, they need to build a team. Founder is great, but they need a professional team. So you need to always evaluate what sort of team are they coming with. If it's just one founder led and no support team which is running it, this is a big flag because once you get to scale, you can't manage all of it. You will need to delegate, right? So if they don't have delegation kind of intent, that becomes tricky. So again, everything is very soft. I wish I had a hard number ki ye percentage se niche hai to mat karo, right? But it's all soft factors which play a big role.
Yeah, because initially at the idea stage, you don't have
any of these.
Yeah.
Any of these. So when all of my investment which I've done, my initial was we have, they coin a term which is called ARR.
Yeah.
Annual run rate.
Yeah.
So agar aaj we do a sale of 1 lakh, right? They'll just multiply it by 365 and they say we have annual run rate of 365 lakhs or 3.65 crores. That means nothing.
Yeah, like no business has a linear...
Exactly. So that ARR, MRR, all of those are great. Only after a certain point in time, initial stage, metrics doesn't count. It's all you're counting on people and team.